Welcome back, folks. Today we got a different type of project. We are in the slow process of eliminating all of the railroad ties around the property. There was some that was for edging and decorative, and then we got some other that forms a wall. The decorative stuff we mostly got rid of, so there's one more piece here that we're working on before we go to the retaining wall portion of the railroad ties. This is the last one, but over the last year we've seen evidence of ants and possibly termites. So when we dug up the first ones, we noticed that there was a lot of loss on the underside where they've been there so long that they had rotten and decayed. So this is the very last one or two that we got to get out right here. We got a plan. We're going to put in some cinder blocks, the solid blocks, not the ones with the holes in it, but the solid ones. I think they're 8 by 8 by 16, so they're the perfect height to put in here for the railroad ties. So let me show you what we got over here, what we're dealing with. Okay, this is what we're getting rid of. 2 railroad ties stacked on top of each other. Hopefully there's not another one down there, but this is about 10 to 12 inches right here. We'll go down in the ground. We got to get these nandinas out of here and hold the rock back and the soil back. So let's get started. Here are the ones that we're going to replace that railroad tie with. So here's 5 of them, and I have 8 more somewhere else that we'll have to get. So 8 by 8 by 16. It exploded when I dropped it on the ground, split in half. Howdy folks, you can see the top one that came out. Not too bad actually. I'm surprised the bottom is a little bit damaged, just from wear, erosion, time, but it's not too bad actually. I'm a little surprised, but the bottom one that was in the ground, I got it out, dropped it, it hit the ground, and as soon as it did, it broke in half. You can see it's got roots throughout. It's got what looks to be, ants and maybe termites or something that have eaten it away over the years, which is impressive since it's, soaked in creosote and all that stuff. So yeah, definitely time this one came out. It was given support, but it was, probably a home to many creatures. Roly-polies, saw those in there. All right, let's get these hauled off. We're gonna dump them in our pile of other railroad ties that we have. Okay folks, how does it look? If you like what I did here, give us a like, click subscribe. 3 bags of concrete, 1 underneath and 2 behind. I kicked it with my foot, it's not moving. Wait till it dries and push the rocks back on top for decoration. It turned out really well. I like it and it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. Better than old railroad ties.